Good morning, sir. Regan White here with the video that I promised you over the weekend about how to build links into images, how to fix links in images in Canvas. And so real quickly, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go into a Canvas page here. I've created a page called Link Creation Video, and I'm going to go ahead and put a link in there to a picture. At that point, then I'll show you how to use different techniques based on what kind of link you have. So this is the page. If you can see there's nothing on it, let's go ahead and edit. And the first thing we need to do, of course, is add a picture. In case you are not familiar with that process, the easy way is to just click here somewhere in this. It's going to put it in the most top left place it can. And we're going to select a picture. And I'm going to upload that. And you can either drag it from Windows Explorer, or you can select here. I'm going to just pick a picture, one that I already know is the right format and fairly the right size. So I'm going to take this little Viking icon here now to upload it. And as you can see, I now have a picture in my page, and if I save it, now I have this picture, and that's all I have. And the picture's not a link. Notice my pointer doesn't turn into a finger, and it doesn't take me anywhere. So let's go ahead and make that a link now. The easy way to do that, the easy way to make this thing a link, is to, first of all, click on it. Just a single click to select it. You should make a highlight box around it, and now we can work with that. Okay, we're going to create an image. Or, pardon me, we're going to create a link within this image. So the way that we do that is we're going to this little chain-looking button icon up here. We're going to select the drop-down arrow. It gives us a choice of external or course links. If we want to make this an external page, if we want to link it to an external page like Google or just some external link, we can click there. We can type in or paste in, doesn't matter. But let's just use Google because it's easy. We say done. Okay. Link options will allow you to make that link open up somewhere else, or well, it should. Apparently, it's not. That may only work in course links, so we're not going to worry about that right now. But regardless, we have created a link, and so now if we save it, notice that the pointer turns into a link finger over the picture, and when we click it, it opens up the Google page. So that's the simple, easy way to create a link. But most of the time, you're going to want to create course links or links to pages within your course. Now, that is a little bit different process, but it's equally as easy. First of all, let's go back in, and we're going to remove this link. So select the picture, remove link. Now you'll notice there's no more link there. There's no more link options. So let's see what we can do to create a course link. When we click there on course link, instead of choosing external, we chose course. This box opens up, this little slide out menu. It lets us add either links or files. Right now we're going to worry about links. And the pages, assignments, quizzes, announcements, everything that you have for your course are in these drop-down menus. So let's say you wanted to link to a page, then all you have to do is link to a page. You'll drop down, you'll select that, and now you'll notice it put it over here. This is, I think, where you had a problem the other day. It put it next to the link. It didn't make it part of the link. That is the problem. So let's go ahead and X out of that. Now you'll notice you've got a link here. This is not helpful. So we're going to go ahead and remove that link, and then we're going to get rid of that text. Just hit delete on your keyboard. And we're going to go back and try that again. You need to make sure that this is still highlighted. Now, notice that time the picture turned yellow. This picture has to be highlighted, and you have to make sure that the highlight box is there before you add the link. Otherwise, it'll stick the link off to the side. That's what I noticed when I looked at the page that you sent me to, where the start link was broken the other day, is that there was a button to module, or there was a link rather, text link to modules off to the side. I would imagine what happened is when you added that link, you had it like that. You did not have the link on the page, or pardon me, you did not have the picture highlighted, so it added the link to the page. But if you'll save this right now, you'll notice we have a link, and it goes to that page. If you click on it, it takes you to the page that we looked at. I'm not going to let that play. It's annoying. So let's get rid of that. Most of the time, though, you're not going to want to, especially with that Start Here button, you're not going to want to go to a specific page. So once again, highlight it, remove link. Now that link is all gone. We're going to link to the modules, the entire module section, because that's what that link was supposed to do anyway. First of all, make sure you have the highlight box around the image. And this time we're going to go to Course Navigation, and we're going to go to Modules. When we do that, you'll notice our image, that yellow highlight thing, highlight box is still there, and now we have link options. If I save this, and I click on it, it will take me to the modules page, and that's what we wanted to do in the first place. So that is the easiest way to handle this. Let's go ahead. You notice it opened it up into a, no, it didn't. There we go. All right, that's going to be the easiest way to handle this. Once again, I'm going to run through that again. Let's get rid of the link. How to get rid of a link? We hit Edit. We select the picture or text that contains the link, and we hit Remove Link. Okay? We highlight the picture or text, this works with text as well, that we want to create as the target of the link. We select Course Links, making sure that that's still highlighted. We'll come down here to, if we want to go a page, want to link to an assignment, you want to link to a quiz, an announcement, discussion questions, a specific module, any one of those things will work. Or if you want to link to one of the course navigation tools, we're going to use modules in this case again. Click it. That picture should highlight, or the text should highlight yellow. You should now have link options. We save it. And sure enough, there it is. All right, that should take care of any questions about how to create that. Like I said, I think what happened was you had didn't have that selected when you did the last, when you tried to put the link in it last time, and it stuck it off over here as text. So that should take care of pretty much whatever ails you. If you have any questions going forward, let me know, and I can come by and go through this a little more in detail. Otherwise, I hope that helps, and I hope you have a good semester. If you have any questions, remember Todd and I are available business hours, and you have our email and contact information. So have a good day.